Have you ever wondered how ancient civilizations quenched their thirst? Let's embark on a time-traveling journey, back to an era where beer wasn't just a beverage, but a vital cog in the wheel of society. Imagine civilizations dating back thousands of years. They were sophisticated, cultured, and incredibly innovative. Among their many practices, one that sparks curiosity is their brewing techniques. Yes, we're talking about beer. A drink that has spanned the ages, transcending time and geography. In the tapestry of ancient societies, beer was more than just a thirst quencher. It was a significant player in the social fabric, often used in religious ceremonies and as an economic commodity. From Mesopotamia to Rome, each society had its unique brewing style, reflecting their culture and ingenuity. Our journey today takes us to the heart of ancient Egypt, to the city of Abydos, where a fascinating discovery was made. In the sands of Abydos, a team of archaeologists unearthed something extraordinary. An intriguing anomaly caught their attention, an irregularity in the landscape that hinted at a buried secret. As they started to dig, they soon realized they were standing above a large-scale structure. The initial findings suggested a brewing facility, a discovery that sparked a wave of excitement among the archaeologists. The team was led by seasoned archaeologists, experts who had spent their lives studying the remnants of ancient civilizations. They used a combination of traditional excavation techniques and cutting-edge technology to meticulously uncover the site. Each layer of sand removed revealed more of this ancient facility, and with each discovery, the excitement grew. As they dug deeper, they started to find evidence of ancient brewing techniques. They found rows of pottery basins, each large enough to hold around 40 liters of liquid. These basins were arranged in a precise pattern, indicating a methodical brewing process. The archaeologists also found evidence of grains that were used in the brewing process, grains which had been miraculously preserved in the dry desert sands. This discovery sent ripples of excitement through the archaeological community. The possibility of finding an ancient brewery was tantalizing, but the scale of this facility was beyond anything they had ever seen or anticipated. The site was vast, stretching over an area equivalent to the length of 2 football fields. This suggested that the brewery was not just for local consumption, but was likely a major production center, supplying beer for a large region, or perhaps even for ceremonial purposes. As the archaeologists continued their work, they found more evidence confirming their initial hypothesis. They found traces of ancient beer residue in the pottery basins, confirming that this was indeed a beer factory. The age of the site was also determined, dating back to the reign of King Narmer, around 5,000 years ago. The archaeological community was astounded. The discovery was unlike anything they had seen before, a brewery from the dawn of civilization, a testament to the ingenuity of our ancient ancestors. What they had found was, in fact, the world's oldest known beer factory. To confirm their findings, the team had to dig deeper, both literally and figuratively. Like detectives of the past, they set to work using the tools of modern archaeology to analyze the site. It was a painstaking process, as each fragment of pottery, each crumbling wall, each hint of grain had to be meticulously studied and documented. Carbon dating was used to determine the age of the site. This technique, which measures the decay of carbon-14 in organic material, provided a window into the past. The results were astounding. The site dated back to around 3000 BC, making it one of the oldest known breweries in the world. The artifacts found at the site also offered invaluable insights into its function. The team discovered pottery shards that contained traces of ancient beer residue. These pieces of the past painted a vivid picture of a large-scale beer production facility. The layout of the site, with its rows of ceramic vats, suggested a well-organized operation that could produce a substantial amount of beer. But the analysis was not without its challenges. The harsh desert climate had taken a toll on the site, making the preservation and study of artifacts a difficult task. Additionally, the sheer size of the site presented logistical challenges. However, through a combination of grit, determination, and scientific expertise, the team overcame these obstacles. They discovered evidence of ancient brewing techniques, including the use of emmer wheat, a grain commonly used in ancient Egypt. They also found evidence of a unique fermentation process which added to the growing body of knowledge about ancient brewing practices. The team's thorough analysis revealed a site that was not just a brewery, but a significant piece of ancient history. Now, Having unearthed this ancient brewery, what does it tell us about the people who built and used it? Unraveling the implications of this discovery, we begin to see a clearer image of ancient Egyptian society. The sheer scale of the Abydos Beer Factory suggests a society with a high level of organization. It wasn't just about brewing beer. Managing such a large-scale operation would have required sophisticated planning, coordination, and resource management. Imagine the complexity of the tasks involved: sourcing ingredients, maintaining consistent production, ensuring quality, and distributing the finished product. All these tasks hint at a society far advanced for its time. Moreover, the presence of this brewery reinforces the idea that beer was not merely a recreational drink in ancient Egypt. It was a staple, an integral part of their daily life and rituals, and now we know, a product of a highly organized and sophisticated society. This discovery sheds new light on the sophistication of ancient civilizations and their capacity for large-scale production. So, what have we learned from this fascinating journey into the past? We've uncovered the secrets of the Abydos Beer Factory, a testament to the ingenuity of our ancient Egyptian ancestors. This monumental discovery has offered us a rare glimpse into the role of beer in their society, not only as a dietary staple but also as a ceremonial offering. Through meticulous analysis, we've deciphered the brewing methods of these early beer makers. They displayed a level of sophistication that challenges our preconceptions of ancient civilizations. Their techniques, remarkably innovative for their time, have shaped the brewing process as we know today. The implications of this discovery are profound. It redefines our understanding of ancient Egyptian society, showing us that their lives were not just about pyramids and pharaohs, but also about everyday activities like brewing beer. Next time you enjoy a cold beer, remember the ancient Egyptians who thousands of years ago were doing the very same.